Maverick wants to hail the inspirational and gallant leadership of the international governing body of swimming, FINA, for their ruling that transgender athletes who transitioned from male to female after beginning male puberty will no longer be allowed to compete against women. The swimming body says the decision is about maintaining competitive fairness in the women's category of their sport. And look, this has been a festering issue that many prominent sporting bodies have shied away from. But now that swimming is belling the cat, so to speak, here comes other sporting bosses, including Lord Sebastian Coe, jumping onto the wagon, saying we must protect the integrity of sports and blah, blah, blah. FINA pushed the vision even further with a move of inclusivity by recommending the creation of an open category for athletes who want to fluctuate their birth identity. And look, understanding and navigating this world in 2022 is very complicated, but it was always ridiculous for a man born as a man with superior physical strength and power get up one morning and say he no wants to compete against girls. What can go say? What can go say?